Hi guys, Kimjo, welcome back to my channel. I hope आवाज सुनाई दे रहा है because I am speaking slowly क्योंकि I am giving surprise to Khushi. If you don't know, she is here. She gave me surprise. अगर आपने last video देखा तो you'll know. So she gave me surprise. So I want to give her a surprise now. The whole part of this video is me getting her few things from Miniso and she has no idea. I just told her let's go and eat something. हम लोग मोमोज खाना आए हैं. So she has shifted to another state and she misses यहाँ का मोमो. तो यहाँ का एक फेमस है शिफू मोमो. So we have come there to eat and she has no idea. I just told her that we are going to go and eat something and इसके बाद I'm gonna go and take her to Miniso and I'm gonna ask her to shop whatever she wants within 30 seconds because obviously we are on a budget. But yeah, hopefully she likes the surprise. Yay! How are you feeling, Khushi? That is also. You wanted to eat this for how long now? 3 months. Yay! This looks yum though. This is momo platter. It's steamed, fried and Manchurian. Please say hi. I don't know. Say hi. खाली मोमोज हो गई शांति. अब क्या करेंगे?
I don't know.
कहीं घूमेंगे?
चलो.
कहाँ जाएंगे?
तब खबर.
मिनीसो चले?
चलो.
टाइम पास. नहीं, मेरा पेट भर गया.
Very nice.
तेरे को खाना है?
नहीं.
चलते मिनीसो जाके टाइम पास करेंगे. वैसे भी बारिश आएगी ऐसा लग तो रहा है मेरे को. Let's go to मिनीसो. Let's go. पुल दिख रहा. पुल छे तो पुश करे छे. I caught that on camera. I have this one blue wala. It's soft, no? Khushi, you have 30 seconds
Okay.
to grab whatever you want from the store.
Eh.
1 second. Well, I need a timer. Give me a phone. I don't have time.
जोआ तो दे फिला.
No. Wait. That can include a soft toy. Wait, let 30 seconds start, man. And whatever you can hold in 30 seconds. Not like...
ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता.
हाँ, obviously. रुक जा.
मतलब वो डरावना है.
Wait.
जोआ तो दे. फिर बच्चों को टाइम वेस्ट तो नहीं करूँ. करूँ चालू.
Start.
अरे.
आई में 30 सेकंड ज्यादा है. इसको कम लग रहे थे. टाइम हुआ लिटरली.
वो गलती है तुम्हें मानते ना. कैंसल. पाचू रीटेक.
व्हाट रीटेक?
मैं काय नव्हती लिहिलं.
You took one thing only.
ना रीटेक.
Okay, I'll give you.
ना
Wait.
ना बंद कर. कैंसल.
No.
ना नहीं.
I gave you 30 seconds, Khushi.
खबर ही नहीं है. पूछे जोआ देना पहले ऊपर.
I'll give you more 30 seconds.
पर एक आता.
No.
हमारे वैसे ही रहते.
No.
प्लीज.
Go, you have more 30 seconds started. 30 seconds started.
स्टार्ट इज वो है.
15 seconds.
निश्मा से कट कर.
That was literally no.
कट कर.
Nah.
बंद.
Stop it.
ना.
6,
नहीं
5,
नहीं
4, 3, 2, 1.
अब चीटिंग है यार.
You literally no.
मैं कहा ना
No.
पाँचों का.
No. So you literally had 1 minute, and what did you get? Show what you got.
अरे मत ही जो तू.
Why did you even grab that?
अरे कट कर.
That is not happening. No, what again? Gadi na male. You got this one thing. हाँ, so take no.
नहीं पाँचों करना यार. आउट.
No. Okay, you can choose one thing. One more thing I'll give you.
चीटिंग.
Only one thing you can choose.
अब
And
हिंदू है.
without time, you can choose. You can watch and you can choose one thing.
पाँचों का.
पाँचों का नहीं
1
बस.
मिनट में चाहिए. 1 मिनट में चाहिए.
ना You got 2 chances. Now I'm giving you one more chance that you can choose whatever you want.
हम लोग कट करते हैं.
We'll see.
इसमें से
Now you have. Now you now you can choose. I'm giving you a chance to choose what you want. Only one thing though.
कट कर रहा है. इसमें से गलती से गलत है यार.
Galat ka na I gave you 1 minute. You wouldn't know how to.
इसमें से रिटेक करना है.
No.
हाँ.
Do it quickly, but Varsad will get stuck. We have to go also.
काय आहे बोलतो मला.
See, there's so many cute stuff. You don't want anything. ना हम लोग ने पूरा स्टोर 2-3 बार घूम लिया, उसे कुछ नहीं मिला. फिर फाइनली शी फाउंड दिस थिंग, मसाजर, स्कैल्प मसाजर. वो भी वो नहीं ले रही थी, बट आई लाइक चल ले ले. शी थिंक्स इट्स चीटिंग. It's not cheating. It's not. It's not cheating. It's not cheating. पूरा स्टोर घूमे, 1000 चीजें देखी, 1000 चीजें पूछी, पर कुछ अच्छा नहीं है. अनलकी डे, क्योंकि हमें कुछ नहीं मिल रहा. यूजुअली मिनीसो में इतनी अच्छी चीजें होती है. लाइक व्हेन वी डोंट हैव मनी वी फाइंड सो मेनी थिंग्स. कि खुशी आ ले, खुशी लेट्स टेक दिस, बट इट्स सो एक्सपेंसिव, सो वी यूजुअली डोंट बाय इट. बट आज जब हमें लेना है तो चीजें नहीं मिल रही है. बट देन फाइनली वी गॉट 2 थिंग्स. शो व्हाट यू गॉट. दैट वन मसाजर एंड देन दिस क्यूट penguin. No. It's cute lavender color. मेरे पास ऐसा है, but I have the adult version of this. I don't know what it's called.
You have the same color.
No, mine is blue, but it has a topi. It has a topi thing on it. Yeah, cap, topi thing. What were you saying?
घोर अन्याय हुआ है मेरे साथ.
I gave you 30 seconds twice.
अरे यार पर नहीं समझ आता.
But that actually था नहीं कुछ. Maybe we'll do it again next time when you come.
So this video doesn't go.
No, this will go.
No.
Yes.
It won't.
That will be part 2. This is part 1. Galat? Are you? But okay. Other things apart, yeah. Are you happy with?
Yes.
And how do you think the day went? I mean, not day, but few hours.
Very nice.
Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
We'll do it again. Okay, bye. That's it for the day, guys. It's hopefully a small vlog. Mini vlog तो नहीं होगा, थोड़ा तो होगा, क्योंकि 4 मिनट तो हम स्टोर में भाग रहे थे. So that's it for the day, guys. Hi. Hi. So we have one last surprise for Khushi. She doesn't know this. So we bought her Belgium waffle. मैंने घर को बोला था आते आते लेके आने को, but she doesn't know it. वो भी मेरी मॉम को लेने ऊपर गई है. We were out. We went for a round. और हम अभी नहीं देंगे. We are gonna go drop her home. और जब घर के एंट्रेंस पे उसको हम देने का सोच रहे हैं. I'm not sure. उसको बेचारे को कल खाना था, बट हम दोनों ने ऐसे बोला कि बंद होगा बेल्जियम वॉफल, एंड इट वाज एक्चुअली क्लोज्ड. सो वी गोना सरप्राइज हर. आया आया.
Thank you. Bye bye.
જોઈ તો લે શું છે.
देखाई.
Bye. Guys, hope you like this video. If you liked, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. We'll be back with more videos. Bye.